In this video, I'll be sharing practical tips to help your children learn the Yoruba language or any new language. Stay with me. Hello, I am Adunola Abosede, the voice of Yoruba language. And today, I'll be talking about few practical tips for you to help your children to learn the Yoruba language faster and better, or any other language. But in this video, I'll be using the Yoruba language for example. So, helping children to learn should be natural, should be fun, and consistent. Number one tip is use Yoruba in daily life. Try as much as possible to communicate with them in Yoruba every day, even if it is just the greetings. Speak to them, let them respond to you in the target language, in the language that they are just learning. It goes a long way. Make Yoruba a living language, not just a subject or just a topic. Number two, use music and songs. We learn faster with songs. Now, I remember a song we learned in secondary school, and I can still remember the song even up till now. We learned the song when we were learning Avogadro's Law. The song says, Avogadro's Law ló sọ wípé equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules. So I can still remember the song right now, and we learned it since our secondary school days. So this helps us. It sticks to the memory. Even during exams, when the question came out, I sang the song in my brain and then I wrote the answer down. So music, songs helps us to learn faster. So use songs, use lullaby, use nursery rhymes, Yoruba traditional songs. And when they sing this song or when you play this song for them, encourage them to clap, to dance, and to sing along. Encourage them to repeat some lines when they listen to the song. Encourage them to also sing along, to dance, to clap their hands. In one way or the other, they'll get used to this song and it will help them to learn faster. Number three, help them with their homework. Learning does not have to stop in the class. Help them with their homework. Encourage them to do their homework. Do it with them. Let them speak the language they are learning, the Yoruba language, to you, and you respond. Then be patient with them. They are learning and they are doing their best. Don't say, is that how to say it? Say it this way. Be patient with them because they are learning. Number four, watch Yoruba cartoons and videos with them. Make it interesting, make it fun. If you go on YouTube, you see a lot of Yoruba videos, Yoruba songs for children that they can learn, that will help them in their learning journey. And don't forget, oftentimes children follow your example. When you use Yoruba at home, they will do the same, and when you don't, they will also do the same. Number five, please celebrate their little progress. When they get one, appreciate them, celebrate them. You can clap for them and make them feel like they are progressing, they are trying their best. And you can also tell them Yoruba stories, Yoruba tales, histories, and so on. And number six is that you register them with Yoruba Lemi today, where they will learn the easiest way, where they will enjoy their learning. Thank you. Until I come your way again, I am Adunola Abosede. I am Yoruba, proudly so, unapologetically so, beautifully so, and everything so. Till I come your way again, I wish you goodness. Bye.